Okay, here's my table before I clear it off. Some of this is stuff I've pulled out of my pantry up there. And some of it is new from Walmart the other day. See, I've already got this pretty well stocked. Got my canned meats in the back there. Some sardines. I need to eat some chicken noodle soup. It was expired in not expired. Best Buy. 12/24. The tomatoes the same way, so I need to eat some soups when it gets cold and restock that. I bought 2 new tamales. Got room. This is about where it ends. So I've got this much room from here to here to put stuff that I hardly ever eat, which are like soups. So I'm going to move those towards the back. And as I'm doing this, I'm going to create me an inventory. So anyway, this has got to, some of it has got to go up there, not all of it. And some of it I may actually put in a reusable grocery bag and put in the truck and haul it that way. We shall see what goes. Let's see, I got the panko. This is brand new. Panko crumbs, evaporative milk. This goes in my. This was cheaper than the small 5-ounce cans of evaporative milk for my chile relleno casserole, so I got the bigger one. And some box items. I'm gonna put this last. Extra thing of peanut butter. Oops. I need some canned goods. Canned goods. I need some pinto beans and black beans. That's what I need. I'll be back. Good morning. Well, we started out this morning eating a sausage, egg, and burrito. Sausage, egg, and cheese burrito. And hit the ground running. Taking a little break. Drinking me some Diet Coke. Oh. So, let me show you my patio. There's my 2 propane tanks. I need to go and get those filled today. And one I use for cooking and the other one I use for the buddy heater. So I've got the buddy heater ready to test. Pulled out my little refrigerator out of my casita because it is needing to defrost. Yeah, it's got a lot of ice. So I need to get it defrosted and cleaned. Clean the drawer. I don't know what leaked down there, but gonna get it all wiped out and cleaned up. Of course, everything that was on top of the refrigerator I got to go through, do something with. Look at my desk. Yeah, it is a disaster. So I've got to go through, got to load my guitar, got to get my art supplies, get my art supplies that are somewhere over there. Yeah, it's just a chaotic mess. I kind of said that yesterday. This is going to have to come off because I need my table for to travel with. So I'm going to probably just set all this down on the ground. And there's my metal detector. Got to pack it up. It came with the bag. So I got to put it in this bag. Yeah. Yeah, got a lot to do. But, of course, load all the chairs when the time comes. Clean that out because I used it for something. And I got everything off my go shelf. Load and go. I forgot what I called that. Load and go was good. That's my fishing bag and my fishing chair, so I'm leaving that. I don't do any fishing in Arizona. I take my fishing rods with me, and I do still have some tackle in my truck. But, yeah, this is stuff that is going. Well, this bag isn't going. Need to move that tripod. There's my buddy heater, but before I load it, I want to test it. Yeah, it's just a lot of... I've got a long list in my pocket journal, and I keep adding to it. But anyway, I wish these tomatoes would just turn and I could eat one of them right off the vine. But I don't think that's even going to happen before we leave. So I will, as I said in my last video, go ahead and just take them. I've been told you can put them in a plastic bag, not a plastic bag, a paper bag, which I don't have any. And put them in a paper bag in a cool, dark place, and they should ripen. So a good place would be... Well, probably the only place I have is the microwave. It's dark in there all the time. So after my break, I will look at my list and keep going. Yeah. Getting that emptied and cleaned out and defrosted. I forgot about the defrosting part because I was just going to turn it off when we left. It's just got some drinks in it right now. Well, now it doesn't have anything in it, but it had drinks. But, yeah, all that water would have been all over the floor. So, I'm going to do the same thing to the deep freeze. I've got almost all of it cleaned out, except the pot pies. So, I think we're going to have pot pies for the next couple of days. All right. I'll get back to it. I'm on my way to the post office because I got me some new contacts. Yeah, I wear contacts. So, let me tell you, I don't know how this is done, but I've done it twice now. And I get my contacts from 1-800-CONTACTS. And last year, I noticed that you can do your own eye exam using your phone or your laptop. And I've done it twice now. The exam's $20. All it does is check your vision. And I want the same prescription on my contacts. Because I do probably, obviously I know I need to get my eyes checked. I was going to do that this summer, and time gets away from you, and did not do that. And I'll be back. Time got away from me, and I never made a doctor's eye appointment, to test your eyes and glaucoma, whatever all that stuff is. But I want the same prescription. I do probably need a new prescription, but I was on my last boxes of contacts and went, uh-oh. So I could pay $20, do my eye exam online, and I had my contacts delivered in 3 days. I will plan on, when I come back in March, to get in. I need to go ahead and make an appointment and get in to see an eye doctor. So I'm headed to get my contacts. Alright, got my contacts. So, just a little bit more about how this works is you sign up, it's $20 for the exam. You stand 10 feet from your computer or laptop. The camera on your phone is on, or your laptop, so I'm assuming it's recording you at all times to make sure you cover your left ear, read the number, cover your left eye, read the letters, cover your right eye, read the letters, and read all the letters. And you only read one line. You don't have to keep doing it like you do. And pretty much that's it. So this is the second time I've done it. Got my contacts. And I'm well on my way. But you should never do what I do. Check it out for yourself. And make sure you get your eye appointments to make sure your eyes are healthy. And not just getting an eye exam. Alright, let's get out of here. One reason I started ordering my contacts online is because I go to an eye doctor and they don't specifically have the brand that I like. And I've tried several different brands of contacts and I've only found one brand that works with my eyes. They don't irritate my eyes. They don't, you know, make my eyes itch, all that stuff. They try to put me in a newer, better contact. Always my eyes itch. It's like, this is not worth it. Now let's get back home and continue getting everything packed up, ready to go. Yeah, it is a process. And we have a Walmart pickup order this afternoon, so I probably won't get this video uploaded till tomorrow. We'll see. Good morning. I am starting my very first project this morning, cleaning my buddy heater, hooking it up, making sure it all works good, and then putting it in the camper. Let's get cleaning. Alright, I tested it once. And I'm gonna turn it on again. Yeah. Pilot's on. You can't really see it because it's bright outside. Better. Working good. I already burned off everything and it was burning pretty good, and thought I'd test it again before I moved it into the camper. Okay, this is my next project. I'm going to take this ladder down because it doesn't have the ladder rack up there. And I had to buy this ladder because it's taller. So when I was working on my corner piece here, it had to be tall enough. And since I didn't have my ladder rack with me, I strapped it and bungeed it and so tight. And yeah, it's not going anywhere. And there's a part of me that says just leave it. But then if I use it in the winter, it's going to be hard to take it down and put it back up. And it's easier if I just do it right. And that bungee up there looks like it's rotted anyway. So I guess I'm going to take this down and redo it. Where'd the black dog go? You can't tell, but oh, she just rolled in the dirt. You're a brown dog now. And now I have to take a break from all the projects to cook for Sammy. Yeah. That's a project in itself, isn't it, Sammy? Are you a project in itself? That's what I thought. That's what I thought.